Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the Nsp file and noting its version. This prevents accidental downgrades. Once done, back up the original game and any save data to external storage so you can revert if needed. You must also ensure your keyset and the latest Nsp tools are available on your workstation. Make sure USB or FTP access to the target device works. Now that prerequisites are in place, proceed to extract and prepare the update files for modification. You now extract the Nsp's NCA containers and replace only the files that contain updates or add new DLC content. Doing minimal changes reduces errors. While rebuilding, recompute hashes and update version fields and NACMER data so the system recognizes the new build. Once files are correct, repack into Nsp or convert to NSZ, then sign the package and tick it with the precise keys. Doing this ensures integrity checks pass, and the console accepts the update. You transfer the rebuilt package to the device and install using your preferred installer. Watch for error codes and confirm installation completes. After installing, launch the game and verify the updated version and key gameplay features to ensure the update applied correctly. If something goes wrong, stop and double-check signatures, ticket flags, and version fields. Often re-signing with the correct keyset or fixing a corrupted NCA resolves the issue. If persistent errors occur, restore your backup and retry the process.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.